Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Sorry, we couldn't hear you.
Yeah.
Could you please repeat it?
No. My point is like what is your education qualification and what exactly you're looking for? What kind of Java?
So Nikhil, this is Rashmika. So my background is like I'm from computer science background.
Mhm.
So I just want to learn the basics of Java and advanced Java. So it's been like long time. So that's what I just want to recollect everything
So
on
you're
Java.
experienced or else like what a fresher?
I completed my master's. So I have
Oh, great.
yeah.
Yeah.
It's long back
Cool.
in my first year of BTech. So it's been like 4 years. So
Oh, okay, great. So welcome to onboard.
yeah. Thank you.
Right. So great to hear. And Shiva, please.
Yeah. So I did my engineering, and I'm from IT branch. Yeah. So I think it's been a very long time since I have touched Java. So
Oh,
for that reason, I'm just looking for Java full stack developer first. So
okay.
with that,
Right
yeah.
now you're
So
working.
I'm expecting something like. Yeah. I'm working. Yeah.
So on what technology?
I'm working on operations right now, so I just wanted to shift to IT. So for that reason, I'm searching for the good, full stack developer course. Yeah,
Wow, great. You're from India or what?
I'm from India.
Oh, great. Right.
Yeah,
Thank you and
thank you.
nice talking to you. Please welcome to the like Java side.
Thank you
And
very much. Yeah.
who else? Right? Yeah. Who else like Sriram and Venkata Sudarshan? May I know that, please? Yeah, I'm unable to. I think
Yes,
might be your side is what mic problem. I'm unable to hear your voice. Okay. Mr.
yes, sir.
Venkata.
Sritam Saumitri Jana.
Okay.
Y- Yes, sir.
No, please continue.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Yeah, please continue, Mr. Sritam.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. I'm just talking here. Can you able to hear my voice? I'm audible. Okay, fine. Mr. Venkata Sudarshan, can you respond, please? A quick introduction.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Mr. Venkata Sudarshan.
Hello.
Yeah, who's this?
Myself,
And Venkata
Sritam Saumitri Jana. Okay, myself, Sritam Saumitri Jana.
Okay. Fine.
From
So,
Bhubaneswar,
like,
Odisha.
we'll continue.
Yes,
Yeah, best just okay. Okay, fine. Just we'll continue. Like it is getting late.
yes, sir.
So I hope so that one like everybody has a little bit knowledge on Java. So, if you want to go for the basic side, like we'll be giving you the best basics, like core Java as well as advanced Java side. And first of all, let me introduce myself. Like, so I'm so and so, and I'm working as a like what a project manager, come like what Agile coach. So in one of the like a multinational bank, like MNC. I have that one almost more than 25 plus years of experience, like specifically on Java, more than 20 years. So this is like what my small introduction, and so till now I trained not less than lakhs of people on Java as well as on MuleSoft and Agile methodologies. Right now I'm just like what you heard about that one Agile coach. Anybody like Scrum Master? Anybody heard about that? No?
Oh well, no. Yeah.
Oh, fine. Actually, when you go to the company and you join as an employee, like what, as a programmer, so you are working under a team. For that team, one coordinator is required. That coordinator is a Scrum Master. And Agile coach is what? Under Agile coach, we have that not less than 10 to 15 Scrum Masters are there. So that depending on the experience, like when you go to the company in real time, you can understand all the scenarios. And coming to our topics, right now, I would like to share like purely, I'm just going on the fundamentals today, like the fundas, because most of the people are not aware of those fundas, like he will go for that. Yes, I hope so. You can able to watch my screen. Is it visible?
Nikhil.
Yes, it is. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, it is.
Okay, right, cool. And here, just you have to understand one concept, that is what Java is a programming language, right? Java is what? A
Yes.
programming language. So, actually, our sessions are what? Interactive sessions. Like, please, any kind of noise or some other one, please try to take care of your side. Because, like, when the topic is going on, immediately I'm asking you some kind of like what interactive questions. Please try to understand that. So, Java is a programming language. First of all, forget about that one. Java, yes. You forget about that. Programming, yes, no problem. Now concentrate on language. What is the purpose of the language? Can you tell me that particular point? What is the purpose of a language? Why should I go for language? Yes, a language
It is.
is used for communication purpose. Yes, exactly. A language is used for communication purpose. Where there is no language, there is no communication. Yes, between you and me, what is the language? Yes, English is the language, so that we can able to like what communicate with each other, or what we can able to communicate different people also. Fine. Now the scenario is what? Okay, languages are three types. Yes, please try to understand. Languages are what? Three types. This is the point. Please observe. Right. What those are? Yes, number one is what? A symbolic language. Yes, symbolic language, number one. And the next one is number two, what? Yes, natural languages. Okay. And the third one is what? A programming languages. Yes. Okay. Right. You might be asking question like, what is this? Yes, yes. First of all, if you want to go for communication, communication is of three types. What is the meaning of symbolic language? Yes, the point is what? Either animal to animal communication, right? I have to say that, like what? Animal to animal communication. This is what I want to say, right? Okay. So, animal to animal communication. Okay, right. Not else, like what? Human being to animal communication. That time we can go for symbolic communication. Like what? Suppose I throw a ball. Yes, I just thrown a ball and asking my pet dog, you go and bring the ball. What should I tell? So just like human being, can I tell to my dog, you please go there and bring the ball? Can I tell like that, or what? Any some kind of like what alternate approach? Can you tell me please? Yep. Anybody respond?
Animal,
First of all,
animal.
point.
I think there should be some symbolic language
Yes,
to
definitely. There
communicate with
can be
the
some
animal.
kind of what, like what symbols, like using the whistles or some other one. Okay, just telling to dog and then what, go and just bring it. That whistle is enough. That is a symbolic. Means the whistle itself is what? Communication purpose. Whatever your intention, that is already conveyed to what animal. That's what we can say symbolic language. What about this natural languages? Yes, natural language what? Telugu and then what? Tamil, like what? English. What all these
English.
are? These are natural languages. Can you tell me the natural language is used for communication between two persons? Yes. Whenever you want to talk to other people, like other person, you might be going for what? Different natural languages. That's okay. That is what? Person to person communication. But another type of communication is there. What is that? Yes. I want to communicate with my machine. Okay. I want to communicate with what? My machine. That means what? A person to machine communication. That is what I want to tell. Yes, it might be machine or whatever it is, but my requirement is what? I want to convey my message to my computer or whatever it is. Then what should I do? Yes, person to person communication, you can learn Telugu or Tamil, English like this. But if you want to talk to your computer, what should you learn? Anybody? If you want to talk to your machine, what should you learn? Programming language.
Machine learning. Okay, programming.
Yes, exactly programming. Okay, machine learning also one kind of what? Programming. One style of programming.
Java, Python.
Yeah, that's what. See, Java is what and machine learning is what. Yes, Java is a high level, machine learning is a low level. As simple as that. But
Okay.
both are belonging to the concept of what? Programming languages. So today
So the
onwards,
programming is four types:
what is that?
procedural, functional, scriptural, logic, object programming language.
Yes, 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 yes. Yeah, we'll come to that one. We'll come to that. It didn't come, like we'll come to that particular location. Right. So
Okay, sir.
today onwards, anybody questioning you, what is the purpose of a programming language? You can tell them a person to machine communication purpose. We are going to learn the programming languages. Right. This person in the programming side called as what? A developer, a programmer, a coder, a software engineer, or whatever it is. What about this machine? Machine is nothing but what? Like either computer or system, whatever it is. Right. So to maintain the communication between the person and a computer, the example languages are what? Anybody please?
Sorry, I didn't get your question. Nikhil,
Yeah.
can you repeat the question?
No, my point is what? The person to machine communication purpose, we need to learn programming languages, right?
Yes.
That programming languages are examples what I'm talking about. The examples are what? C, C++,
Java,
Java,
P-
.NET likewise.
Java,
Python.
Python, JavaScript, Ruby,
Yeah,
PHP,
definitely. Yeah.
assembly
So
language, SQL, Swift.
okay, cool.
Uh,
Yeah, right now, like, what's your name?
My name?
No, yeah, Sritam? No, or what?
Yes, sir. My name is Sritam Somitrijan.
Yeah, Sritam, like, can you tell me that one, the .NET abbreviation?
Doc.
No, .NET, here it is there, watch that. This .NET abbreviation. Yes, it is network enabled technology. So this dot representation is what? The internet technology purpose. That's what .NET is
Yes.
not a language. .NET is not a language. .NET is a framework. And so, like what? Using C, one type of communication. Using C, what? One type of communication. So, for this purpose, anybody questioning you, why should you learn the programming language? You can say, whatever my intentions, I want to convey to like what system. That's the purpose. We can go for programming language, right? So this is a point. Now, after completion of this, we have to like what? Okay, more concentrating on this, but not on this, please. No, we don't want these scenarios because this is not spoken English class or this is not pet dog class. This is what? Programming language. That's what we are concentrating on programming language. So C is one type of communication and C++, likewise Java. So now you are going to learn what? Java language communication. How to talk to computer by using Java. That is your target right now. Suppose you are going for .NET class. What does it mean? You want to talk to computer by using .NET. How to do that one? Then you can learn the .NET. So today class is what? Java class. So Java, how to use Java to talk to computer. That's a scenario. And now coming down, programming languages are what? Yes. Okay, we have to say programming languages are, number one is what? Okay, yes, how many levels of programming languages? Okay, levels of what? Programming languages, PL. This is what? Levels of programming language, number one. Next is what? Okay, types of programming languages. And next one is what? Okay, generations of programming languages. This is the point I want to tell, right? So can you tell me that one, the levels of programming languages, how many levels? Anybody?
Two levels. Two
Three
levels.
levels. No, three levels. One is
Three levels.
low level. Yeah, one is low level.
High level.
Yeah, another one is what? Mid level. Third one is high level.
High level.
Yeah. So there are three levels. Level one is like what? Low level. And
Low level.
second
Yes.
one
Hardware
is what?
processor specific.
Yeah, that's what. This is
And
mid
basic
level.
code.
Yeah, that is what. This is high
High
level.
level language is Python, Visual Basic, C++.
Yeah, these are the high level languages.
Yes.
Now, can you tell me that one C, C++, Python, all these are coming under what generation language?
High level languages.
Yeah, high level languages, but what generation? How many generations of programming languages? Yes, there are 5 generations of programming languages. Low level comes to what?
Procedural.
Low level comes to what? First generation language. And mid level comes to what?
Okay.
Second generation language, right? This is
Second
second
generation.
generation language. And high level
High
is
level
coming
third.
under what? 3, like what?
Third
Sorry.
level.
Yeah. So high level coming under what? 3, 4, 5. All these are coming under high level only.
Okay. 3,
Okay?
4, and 5.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, sir.
And now the thing is what? Your Java comes to what generation? Yes, 3 and 4, 5. This is GL, Amma. This is GL, generations. Third generation, fourth generation, fifth generation. So 1 and 2 generations are what? Already outdated. That is low level is what? Binary level, and mid level is what? Assembly level, and these are what? Modern level. High level is what? Can you tell me your Java comes under what generation? Java, C, C++, .NET comes under what generation? 3, 4, 5 what? Yeah, you tell me one number. 3, 4, 5 what? Third generation or fourth generation? What is that? Yes, can you speak out, please?
So Java. That is a second generation. So
Java is
second
second.
generation.
Sure.
Maybe third or fourth.
So I already told you first and second is rollout. You forget about that one. You tell me that a 3, 4, 5, any one of that.
Maybe 3.
How can you say?
Because nowadays like many languages are coming so now. So I think
The
it's 3 or
second
4.
generation is a machine dependent. Third generation languages are high level programming language.
So if we want to talk about the third generation, the languages which are
It is
starting their programming by using main function.
yes, sir. So C++ and Java, Pascal.
Yeah, C, C++, Java, .NET. Most of the languages are starting
Yes.
from main onwards, right? Those are third generation,
Yes.
right? Okay, that is oops or some of them leave it. And what about the fourth generation? Anybody told what is 4GL? Yes, these are what you know. What is this? SQL.
For the language, the concept of statement are similar to statement in human language.
I didn't get you. What is that?
There are languages that consist of statement of similar to statement in human language.
The statements you given in the programming.
Yes, sir.
So my point is what fourth generation is SQL. SQL abbreviation, structured query language.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Structured
It
query
is
language.
Python.
Python is a scripting
That is
language.
Python, Ruby SQL, Matrix Laboratory.
Sritam, please cool. Actually, Python coming under scripting concept, not
Okay.
SQL concept. SQL is different and scripting is different. SQL is used for getting the data from database. Database interactions purpose, we can go for SQL. Scripting is not for database interactions. That is different. So, anybody asking you question of that, it is what you heard about that Oracle. Yes, okay. Oracle is a software which is supporting what? SQL. Oracle, MySQL, Foxbase, FoxPro, D2, DB2, whatever it is. And when you come to fifth generation, right, okay, 5GL, okay, these are what, yes, sorry, wait a minute, I'm sorry. Yeah. So, right, come down here like what? It is a 5GL, I can say like that. Yes, it is a 5GL. These are what? Do you know what is this? AI, artificial intelligence. Yes, fifth generation languages are what? Artificial intelligence. You heard about that one, like what? Artificial intelligence, what those are. And when you come to
There is
that particular, yeah, when you come to that particular types as previously, like what? Like Sritam told that, like what? What is that one? Scripting. What you told, like previously, Sritam? Scripting. Hmm. Next.
yes, sir.
What next?
So 4GL,
Markup.
yeah, 5GL.
No, no, these are separate. These are what, like separate, like what? Coming under modern languages. Okay, these are what, like
So
modern
fifth
languages. We are not,
okay. So fifth generation language it's called that is artificial intelligence research.
yes, yes, yes. Fifth generation is artificial intelligence because in the artificial intelligence system can also think of its own. But whereas third generation, fourth generation is what? It's a slave. Whatever you told, it is doing that one. But when you come to fifth generation, system can able to think of its own, like what whether it is good or bad. That kind of decisions will be taking. That is what we can say fifth generation languages. Those are okay, right.
Okay, sir.
So scripting and markup. What next? Scripting and markup. Anybody like objective? Anybody please? Any other languages? Scripting languages, markup languages, objective languages, or sorry, object languages. Sorry, not objective, object languages. Anything else, please? So
So
query
scriptive language include
include. So scripting
so
purpose we
language
can
include
for
JavaScript, Ruby and PHP.
yeah, all these are what under scripting, like what Ruby, PHP, Python, JavaScript, whatnot, React JS, Node JS, Angular
Yes,
JS, all these
Node.js.
are coming under scripting category. And when you come to markup, what is that? Like what HTML, XML, okay, hypertext markup language, extensible markup language, YAML, like what yet another markup language. Like these are the different markup languages. Like next one is what object based. That is what okay, C++ and what Java. All these are what object based. Okay, and what query languages? Anybody asking? You can say what like what SQL. Okay, SQL is a query based language. And next one is what anybody questioning? A logic based. You can say what C, what COBOL. Okay, sorry, C and then what Fortran like this. These are what logic based. And next one is what procedure oriented. You can say what COBOL basic likewise. These are the different type of programming language, Amma. Okay, you decide whatever you want and how to do that one. Yes, I hope so. This point is clear. We have three levels of programming languages, and 5 generations of programming languages, as well as what? 6 types of programming languages. As simple as that. Yes, is it clear? Or you would like to ask me any questions on that? Yes? Shall I move? You won't ask me any questions on that.
So, so programming language, how many types?
So scripting also one kind of programming language here. Markup also one type of
Okay.
programming. Object also, these are coming under programming languages. So
Okay.
3 levels of programming languages, 5 generations of programming languages, 6 type of programming languages. Okay.
Okay.
Right. And the next step is what? Okay. When you talk about the topic of what? Okay. Programming language. Yes. Using programming language, what can we do? Yes, boss. Like using programming language, I can create what? Instruction, or I can say what? A statement like that. Okay. Using programming language, what can you do? Instructions are statement. Yes, it's quite simple. For example, using natural languages, using Telugu language or English language, what can you do? Yes, that is a point you have to understand. Yes, boss, like what? Using English language, what can you do? Yes, I can do that. What? Sentences, right? Yes, okay. Say, here is a statement, there is a sentence. Okay, next one is what? Okay, fine. The next step is what? Group of sentences are called as what? Paragraph. Okay, group of paragraphs are called as what? Chapter or story, whatever it is. Like it's just chapter. Group of paragraphs are what? One chapter, right? Okay, same way, here you can come down and just what? Okay, try to watch this. A group of instructions are called as what? Program. A group of programs are called as what? Anybody please? A group of programs are called as what? Clear? A group of programs are called as software.
Yes,
So
sir.
please,
Collection of computer program.
yeah. It's a collection of computer programs are called as what? Software, right? Now, can you
Yes,
tell
sir.
me how many types of softwares we have? Yes, anybody please? Anybody please tell me how many types of softwares we have?
To get
Two types?
two main category of software: application and system software.
Very good. Definitely correct. Yes. Number one is what? Okay. This is
Application.
system OS. Yeah, it is what? System OS or system software. Sorry, system software. And this is what, please? Yeah, apply software.
Application.
Yeah,
Apply software.
application software and simple software. And this system software also once again what? Yes, system software
System
once
software is
again.
run a computer hardware and provide a platform or application to run top of.
No, we don't want to go for that much of depth here. We are concentrating on Java. So just giving the
Okay.
brush up on the topics. Okay. Right.
Okay.
System software, we are talking about like what? This is OS software. Ma. So OS software, here it is. Right. This is OS, and here is what? I have to say what? Linker. Okay. Linker or loader, whatever it is, like C compiler. Yes, it's a linker. Okay. The same thing is available in what? Same compiler, that is what? Linker and loader, both are available. Yes. And the third one is what you can say scanners, virus scanner, whatever it is. So we are not at all aware of that particular linker and loader. Like you can check out that one C compiler, Java compiler, and .NET compiler likewise. And we have that one OS. OS is of what? Two types. Yes, I hope so you are understanding this. OS is of what? Two types. Yes, what those are? Anybody please? That is what? Single user OS. Next one is what I can say, it is multi-user, single user, and then what? Multi-user OS, like this. Okay, single user OS, multi-user OS. Single user OS once again, what? Like this, right? So I'm just concentrating on the basics today, please. Okay, we'll discuss Java, not a problem. But single user, once again, what? Yes, this is what CUI, sorry, this is what CUI, and second one is what? GUI, that is single user, right? Multi-user also, once again, what? CUI, and next one is what? GUI. Actually speaking, that, yes, anybody knows the abbreviation of GUI? Can respond? Graphical user interface, and then what? A character user interface. CUI means what? Character user interface. But that is once upon a time. But right now, there are like what? Much and more of that one. The user interfaces CUI, and the second one is what? GUI, and the third one is what? TSI. Okay, and the fourth one is what? VRI, like that. Yes, that is what character user interface, graphical user interface, touch screen interface, and then what? Voice response interface. Your mobiles are what right now? Or touch screen, the what is that one, like desktop? What is that? It's a touch screen only. VRI, voice response. Suppose I can open the system like what? Siri. By using what is that? Your voice, the Siri can recognize the words. Likewise, that is what voice response. Interface is nothing but what? Like communication purpose. Like, see, anybody asking that one, what is CUI? I can say that like what? CMD. Okay, you can check out this like what? CD slash likewise, right? Where is that? Yes. Okay, so I have to say that like here, now CLS, and then what? Okay, right now there is what? DAR. See, and here is what? CLS. Clear the screen. I want to clear the screen, but how I'm telling to system? By using CLS. That means what? This is the interface. What? At the C prompt, I can enter the data. I can enter the command. Yes, this is interface. At here, like what? I can enter the command. A character. Command is nothing but character. So user, CUI means what? CUI means user using command as an interface. That's the concept of CUI. Okay, I repeat once again. CUI means what? The user. U means what? User. User using what? Command as an interface. So it is communicating like what? CLS. Then automatically the screen will be clear like that. Okay. So it is clear everything. This is CUI. Suppose when you talk about the GUI, yes, this is the GUI. Like what? You click on that, you click on that, like this. It's a GUI. As simple as that. I hope so understanding this scenario, right? Okay. And now what? GUI, graphical user interface. Everything is graphical. And here anybody asking you this examples of this one, you can say what? DOS, disk operating system. And here is what? Windows, right? I have to say that Windows. Windows is the example of this GUI, right? And the next one is what? CUI. I can say what? Unix, okay, right? And this GUI is, you want to say, I can say that what? Linux, like that. Okay, so this is what system software side, but we don't want this one. Okay, we want application software, and application software side, like different types. This is like number one, or I can able to write like this. Okay, because I don't have the space, that's the reason I want to write like this. And what? This is number one is application software means what? Like general purpose appli software or application software. Okay, and number two, yes, number two is what? Commercial purpose application software. Next, number three, yes, anybody? Specific purpose application software. Okay, specific purpose application software. Next, what is the other one? Yes, internet software, internet purpose application software. Yes, these four are the application softwares. And anybody asking you what is the general purpose, you can say MS Office. And commercial purpose, yes, in the like what? Companies, software companies, whatever you are developing, those are coming under commercial purpose. And specific purpose, accounting softwares. Specific purpose are what? Accounting software, like Wings, Tally, some other one. And internet, sorry, there is a spelling mistake there, like what we have to go and modify that one. This is internet software. Yes. What is the purpose of this software? This software will be communicating with the internet. Best example, browser. Yes, browser here. So anybody questioning you, internet software example is what? Anybody, you can say what? Browser. As simple as that. So what are the browsers? Google Chrome, like what? Microsoft Edge, and then what? Mozilla Firefox. So many browser softwares are there. Browser is what? Browser is one program, one application. That application using, you can able to communicate with what? Internet. That's what application software. So I don't want those three. I want internet purpose only. So that's what we are concentrating on this one. I mean, we are close to Java, and remaining things in the tomorrow session will be continuing by 8:30 likewise. Right? Okay. Tomorrow I'll introduce the Java sessions. Right? This is like basic wise. I'm just giving you. Okay.
Sorry to interrupt, Nikhil. So what are the timings for this training?
So IST 8:30 to 9:30.
PM?
IST.
Oh yeah, 8:30 PM or AM?
No, PM it is. Right now.
PM.
Yeah.
Is it
8:30
possible
8:30
anytime? IS?
No, morning sessions not possible for me because I have that office. Since I'm working on Singapore time.
Then I'm looking for my night time, so maybe your morning.
So morning is not possible for me. I'll be possible like evening time only. IST. Yeah, yeah. So that's you can check out that. Since
Yeah.
like I can able to take the morning session, but my
Sure.
shift time is starting from 8:30 onwards.
Yeah, sure.
8:30 AM. Okay.
Okay.
Right. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Any doubts here?
No, I'm good.
Yeah. Right. Thank you so much.